kid at church camp this week. The other two are involved in VBS and we're volunteering to help out with that. Our homeschool year is getting ready to start back up. Some classes that I teach are starting this week, and all that on top of, obviously, house renovations. Speaking of which, let me show you what we've got going on with that so far. This is where we're at. You saw in the last video, windows up. So we're gonna wire some stuff this weekend. Perhaps start putting in drywall, I don't know. That's where we're at with the room. Today, the whole purpose of this video is to show you how I make laundry detergent, because I'm out and I need to wash some clothes. So I'm coming at you live from the laundry room, and here's how I do this. Some things people have asked me before, couldn't I just buy laundry detergent at the store? Yes, I could, but I like making it. It's kind of like bread, you know? Could I buy it at the store? Would it be easier? Yeah, but there's some satisfaction in making things and, I don't know, putting them together with your own two hands in your own house. Plus I like the way this smells, and a lot of times liquid laundry detergent, especially in my washer, I don't know if it's our well water, but it kind of gunks up everything, and I don't know, there's just a lot of extra stuff in there that I'm not sure about. So at least this way I know exactly what I'm washing my clothes with. So all you haters out there, I know I can buy it at the store. Thanks for the suggestion. So here's what we're gonna start with. I have this, I don't even know how many gallons this is. This is it's a 24 quart little plastic trash can. I believe I bought this at the dollar store for like $5 at the not dollar store. Anyway, so I have this container, and then, see, I'm empty. So I start with this container, and then what I'm gonna do is add borax. Now I'm making a lot, right? We have 5 people in this house, and kids who go through a lot of clothes, and we go through a lot of clothes with this renovation. I feel like we're washing stuff all the time. So I'm adding 2 boxes of borax to make this batch. That's number 2. After the borax, we have washing soda. There we go, box 1. Whew, sweating. Who knew it was this hard to open a box of baking soda with one hand? Box 2. So to recap, that's 2 boxes of borax, 2 boxes of laundry or baking soda. Next up, big old box of Oxy Clean. Okay, cut toward your buddy, not your body. Okay, my favorite part comes with a handy dandy scoop. This is what I use to measure out my laundry detergent. Ooh, it's fancy. It's got little blue crystals in it. Here's the part a lot of people who make their laundry detergent at home disagree with me about. They say that if they make their detergent, they want to keep all the fillers and chemicals and things like that that you will find in scented laundry detergent. They want to keep that out of what they make at home. And I agree. But I do like the way laundry detergent smells from the store. So here's my little bit of chemical additive. It's my compromise here. Scent boosters. Okay, 4 bottles of this. Again, I'm doing a double load, so I'm dumping 4 bottles. This is a lot of detergent. So technically, your laundry detergent is done at this point with your borax, your baking soda, your Oxy Clean, and your scent crystals. But if you want it to suds up like a typical detergent you'd buy at the store, you're gonna add Fels Naphtha. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shred this in my food processor. It looks like cheddar cheese. So this is 3 out of 6 bars. There's the first 3. So if you have a food processor, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Otherwise, you're gonna be shredding all that by hand with your little box grater, which is fine, it'll work. But you saw how easy that was. It takes literally 30 seconds to shred 6 bars of soap. Here's the second 3. And here's the tricky part, is getting it all combined, right? Because it's hard to get all the way down to the bottom. So I just grab a wooden spoon and I dig in and start kind of, I don't know what you'd call this, but trying to stir it all together. And once I get it going, then I'll put the lid on and tumble it around. Because you want all this to be combined. So I'll show you what that looks like as soon as I get it combined. There you have it, all mixed up, ready to wash laundry. using the plastic scoop that came with the Oxy Clean, I fill it maybe halfway. And this will last us probably 3 or 4 months, the same amount of time as liquid laundry detergent in the big jug. So, you know, if you have fewer people in your family and less laundry, it'll last longer. So that's how I make laundry detergent. What are we doing?
Picking stuff in the garden because we have lots of stuff. I already picked up lots of tomatoes. Daddy picked peppers, so
yeah. Garden time is here. It's going crazy, so we're gonna go get some stuff that needs to be picked. Our tomatoes are crazy. Our beans. Woo! I mean, yeah, we got a lot of bags, don't we? I know. Okay, so what? Yeah. Show all the tomatoes.
Okay, so me and Liv, I already picked a lot of tomatoes. And the cherry tomatoes are really good. So, a lot of these, and the Daddy picked like peppers, but it doesn't have a major rip in it. Which one are the peppers in? Okay. Peppers are in this one right here. You can see down there, but so yeah. We're picking some stuff. We have cherry tomatoes everywhere, so yeah.
Lots of aromas.
Ooh.
You take that bag and you put cherry tomatoes in that bag.
Okay.
Okay? Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
They need to make
Hi there. Hi, little girl. Do you want to hold my bag while I get tomatoes?
I'll hold the bags. I don't bring anything. I'm so hot.
Okay.
They need to make heavy duty bags.
I know, they do need to make heavy duty bags.
Bags saves the world.
I know. All right, we're gonna pick some tomatoes.
Huh? And you said walk back there. How am I supposed to walk back there?
Look, all you gotta do is find the ones that are red, okay? And just pull them off.
Wait.
Put them in the bag, that's all. That easy. Let's see. See those pink ones right there? You get those pink ones? Put them in a bag. Scared you when I said your name?
Yes.
Holy moly.
Okay. Yay, Quincy!
I just don't understand why they had these.
Okay, so I'm already picking a lot of cherry tomatoes. You can see, I don't even know how I'm supposed to get back there, but Mommy's picking them. So luckily I have an extra helper to help me pick that tomato. So let's go on and pick that tomato. Okay. These ones right here. Quinn said if you are gardener, whatever, is that a word? She said they're not afraid to pick something. So I'm like, okay, then I won't be afraid to pick anything. Okay, so the cherry tomatoes are really light, so I don't think they're gonna rip the bag. But if I put a lot of them there, they're probably gonna rip the bag. So
Can you get back there and get those, Kerrigan?
with my tiny arms.
Yeah. With your tiny arms. Liv got some, here, let me put it in the camera.
I got green beans.
We've got some beans. Okay, put them in there.
Mommy,
What?
can I put the beans in this one where the cherry tomatoes are?
Let's put the beans in the bag.
Got a lot. That one's not ready yet.
Yep. That one.
Not yet. What do you think about it? This one's ready right down here.
Okay, better get it.
I
Oh,
think.
I see two that are ready. Look, right there.
This one is ready.
Yep, that one's ready. Put it in there.
Right, I got some. Oh, these two are ready right in here. Right here. Oh, a lot is ready. Okay, so I found some right over here. Okay, so lots of green beans.
Put them in there.
Taking a lot. I'm just getting a handful, sorry. And just picking them. It kind of feels like I have my own YouTube channel, but oh wow. That one, yeah. Okay. I think that pepper's ready, I think. I found a really good pepper. Mommy's all the way over there, if you could see her. Tiny body.
Hi. All your cucumbers on the first pass. Huh? Yeah, we got a few, don't we?
Look at this one.
That
It's
is
not
as big as your head.
even that. Yeah.
A couple more bags.
190.
So we're gonna cut them in here. We're gonna cut them, put them in here, in this big. Well, this looks like a stock pot, but it's actually a pressure canner. We're gonna put them in here, layer them, pour kosher salt on them, and let them sit.
Is it?
We also got a good batch of cherry tomatoes. That's about a third of the peppers we picked today. And some more of the cherry tomatoes we got. Some green bells, regular tomatoes. It is on, people. There it is. 2 massive pots full of what will amount to spicy bread and butter pickles.
All right, time to can the pickles. So first they've been in a brine all night, and I'm gonna put them in a strainer in the sink and rinse them with cold water, and that will rinse all the salt off before I put them in the pickling juice or the pickling brine on the stove for a few minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do first, is rinse all this salt water off. Okay, pickles are rinsed, and now I'm gonna make the brine that we're gonna pickle them in. So I'm gonna use, because I'm making so many, I'm gonna use 2 gallons of vinegar. Next up to our brine, we're gonna add sugar. Next up, water. And then I have pickling spices, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. I've got this on medium, and I'm just warming it up and stirring it till the sugar dissolves, and then I'll add my cucumbers, and then we'll bring this to a boil. Let it boil for 5, 6, 7 minutes, just till it's warm all the way through. And then we'll be ready to can. All right, time to can. I've got my pot of pickles here, canning pot there. We're gonna put them in our hot jars and then transfer them and process.
Real burgers. Burgers from plants are not real.
Burgers, fake burgers.
That's what I said. Artificial.
All right, in we go. Timer just went off, 7 quarts down. Probably about 7 to 10 more quarts to go. And then we'll have pickles for days. There you have it. 14, let's see, no, I'm sorry, 16 quarts. And then that little guy back there is not actually pressure canned, or I'm sorry, that guy right there is not processed. He's just gonna cool down and go in the fridge for us to eat now. And then the rest of these, they'll sit here for 24 hours, and then once they're completely cooled, they'll get labeled and go on the shelf. That's the pickles for you.